Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to do something different, but before that I would like to wish you all a happy Diwali. As you do know, it's a festival season, so I did go ahead and plan of getting something new for myself. The first thing I got was a very good device. So this one is kind of different. This is the Neo Orbit, sorry, Neo Ptron Orbis Neo. This is a Bluetooth headphone plus a cooling glass. So it's kind of a smart glass in a cheaper price. And it's very cheap. It's just as you saw in the title, $8.99 in Amazon sale. So we will open this, check this, give a review on this, how good it is, how bad it is, and let's go ahead and do that. So let me go to my uh, unboxing camera and show you further on. So let's start with that. So let's move this keyboard over here. And there's the product. And we need a knife. So we are just keeping a knife over here. If this keyboard is distracting, I'll just move it away. Okay. So this is the Ptron Orbis Neo, a wireless smart sunglasses. So it's an open style sunglass. It protects your eye, 14 dual speakers are there in it. You have 15 hours of charge time, 10 minutes wireless range, 10 meters wireless range. You can listen to the music. Type-C charging, which is always good. Integrated controls, where we will be checking that out. Hands-free calls also are there in this because it's a Bluetooth smart glass. 7 hours playtime in 1.5 hour of charge, that is. And there's voice assistant, there's Google and Siri will help you out. Okay, Google and Siri. And it's premium and lightweight. And behind the commodities, and it is packaged in India, Telangana, but it is made in China. So yes, you do get a China product only for that cost. So see this properly. This is the smart glass as I mentioned. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this and see how good it is. So let's start with that. So let's take this knife out. Yeah, that's fancy. So we would go ahead and cut this off. And we'll take out the packaging of this. That's very simple and really dirty. So if you see this side, there's a lever type stuff. You're supposed to pull that and open it. So it's just a fancy tool. They are embedded in it. As soon as you open this and take the sunglasses out, there's nothing else in the box, so I'll keep it aside. So now you see this is the sunglasses, and the packaging is kind of good premium finish cover you get with most of the sunglasses like Fast Track or anything you buy. I'm just opening it. First we will take out the wire. Yeah, it's a Type-C cable to Type-A. Then you have the sunglasses. Apart from that, you have a QR scanner. This is the operating instruction and guide over here. So Ptron, be loud, be proud. Okay, their slogan that is. We'll keep this aside. So this is the sunglasses. That's a quite easy way of unpacking something, and this is the easiest unboxing I've ever done. So these are the sunglasses. So if you open this, it is like a normal sunglass, but in the side you will be able to see there's there are buttons over here. That's fast forward, backward, and power button, and it's kind of premium only, not bad. And here is the charging point over here where you do can charge. So play, pause, everything. There's a side hinge also in this. So it's a good sunglass over here. If you'll be able to see the screen, it's a good one because you're able to see even the top side of my unboxing table. So let's go ahead and start this up. And I will just connect this to my phone and we'll listen how good it is. Okay. Okay guys, so I figured this out. So this one is the power button. Just press it hard and keep it. And now I'm connecting it to my computer. So let's play a track in it. And I'll get this to, I'll take my mic and keep it nearby over here. So even you can hear to the sound. It would be a little okay-ish because I'm just keeping it here. Let me just go ahead and play a song over here for you. So you can also check this out. So I'll just play an NCNS track which I have connected, and if you see over here, I'm just gonna press this button because it is the pause and play button. And you do can increase the volume on the device. So you do get the sound directly into your ear without any problem. And I can go to the next song by this, or I can go ahead and pause this song. So I've gone ahead and paused this easily. So let's play another track over here. So if you're able to see by pause and play and pause, you're able to go ahead and listen to the song. And you can easily go to the middle button over here and pause it. So it's as simple as that. And if I play it back over here, it starts playing. So you can even change the track like this by pressing the buttons. So as you saw, this is the Ptron sunglasses. To be said, they look good too. To be said, they are good. You will be able to go ahead and see my camera also with this. So they are good glasses over here, and they do have a very good reflection over here. If I can see here and then, I can go ahead and see it blocking the light. As the light is directly on my face over here, it blocks well over here. And it is stylish. You do can wear it under a helmet. That's why I'm showing you with a cap over here. So there's no pain or anything over here while wearing. It's very comfortable. And whenever I want, as I have already put a Bluetooth mode over here, I can just press the button and it will start playing the music also for me. Like simple to be said, I just have to play it once and it's playing the music in my ear directly from here. Let me just show you that clearly where the music is going to come for you. So let me switch my camera to the second cam. So if you see, the speakers are right here. These are the speakers. If you're able to see this clearly, over here the speakers come. Let me try to show you. Here is one speaker, here is another speaker. So it's directly over the ear and you don't feel any pain or anything because of that. The speakers are very good, foldable, and it's also playing the track well over here. It also shows the battery percentage, and you can also do Bluetooth calling just like a normal phone. How you go ahead and call. So if you do have any questions regarding this, please put in the comment over here. I will send you the link also if you put a comment down. And if you did like this video, always go ahead and watch such videos because I do make these videos. So as I told you, this is one of the best things you can buy for a smart glass, where there's no extra bulky mics. There's nothing extra over here coming out of the headphone. It's just a headphone which you're, I mean, it's just a sunglass which you're wearing with mic, with everything. And the mic is also there, positioned over in the same place. So let me just pause this 1 second. Yeah. You see, this is the mic over here. Let me show you that clearly. The speakers are above and below, and the same thing acts. The speakers are over here and here, and the same thing acts like a mic also over here. And to be said, this is one of the best purchase which you can do with your money for a smart glass. If you did like this video and you watched so far, please leave a comment, like and subscribe and share it with your friends, because this is one of the cheapest smart glasses, an inexpensive smart glass which you can get, and it's just for 899 rupees on Amazon. So go ahead and try this out and have a wonderful Diwali and have a wonderful day. You're watching Kamal Tech Vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.